Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add forms to a landing page in GetResponse quickly and easily. First, log into your GetResponse account. From the dashboard, click Landing Pages, open the landing page you want to edit and click Edit. The drag and drop editor will now open. From the Elements panel, find the Sign Up form block, drag and drop the form onto your landing page. Click the form to customize its settings. Choose the contact list where new subscribers will be added. Next, edit the form fields. You can collect information such as first name, last name, email address, phone number, or any custom fields you've created. Customize the submit button text with something like sign up. Get started, or download now. You can also adjust the colors, fonts, spacing, and overall design to match your landing page. Once you've finished customizing the form, click Save, then click Publish to make your updated landing page live. Finally, test the form by submitting your own information to confirm that contacts are added correctly. That's it. You've successfully added a form to your GetResponse landing page. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the channel for more quick GetResponse tutorials, software guides, and online business tips.